What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, today I'm going to share with you guys what I've been working on for bmedwork.com, the website where you can go in and post yourself as an eligible candidate for not only W-2 jobs, which are full-time positions, you can also do 1099, which are independent contractor jobs, and you can also sign up as an employer so that you can post those jobs and those employment opportunities for other people. Let's go ahead and get into it, show you what I've got so far. So this is the homepage for bmedwork.com. When you get in there, you can see the most recent jobs. I've got a couple of them right now for Intellis, and that is formerly Crothel. And let's see, I've got one right here for Terrain Biomedical, and I've got a Biomedical Services Supervisor. That's a cool one in Cincinnati for Agility. And let's see, I've got a Field Service Technician for Agility over there in Iowa City. And I've got the Metrology PML Calibration Technician looking for that position over there in Los Angeles. I've had several candidates reach out to me, and hopefully one of those guys gets that position tied up pretty soon. Cool stuff. If you're searching for a job, you can search up here. If you're searching for a particular state, you can search right here. That's not what we're here for. We're here to see the juicy stuff, guys. First off, you got to log in as an employer or as a candidate. If you log in as a candidate, you can come in and you can set up your profile. And your profile is going to allow other people to specify what type of candidate you're going to be. Are you a good candidate with lots of experience? Do you not have that much experience, but you're very motivated? Your candidate profile is going to tell us everything about you, all right? Or you can log in as an employer. Let's go ahead and do that. So I am currently logged in as an employer, and I do get jobs every once in a while that I want to help people out with. And so I'll be posting some of these jobs as well. I have posted a job. You can see the available listings. You can see applicants. So you can see for the jobs that I've posted myself, I have 9 applicants. That's pretty good. You can edit your profile as an employer. And down here, you can see the talent pool. You're probably wondering, what the heck is a talent pool? Talent pool is where you can go in and let's say you have a contract. It's a one-time position. Let's say Washington State. I'm looking for a candidate over in Washington State. So you go into the talent pool and you can either search by a keyword, let's say refrigeration or something like that, or you can search by location. Let's see if I have anybody for Washington. Now you can specify if somebody's looking for your gigs or if somebody's searching for W-2s. We're just going to leave it wide open. And I have a couple of them for Washington right there. So cool stuff. And that's how easy it is. So if I had a job, I would reach out to these candidates right here. And I'd say, hey, I've got this opportunity. I'm just curious if you're interested, or if you know anybody that might be interested, just a brief little email you can send to these people. Super easy. Now that was just Washington. That was just, I picked one that I probably wouldn't have any candidates, but apparently I do. More and more people are signing up as a candidate. So guys, if you're looking to fill some positions, go to bmedwork.com. I have 80, 90 technicians now, something like that are currently open for opportunities, and a lot of them are 1099s. So you got a quick job that you're looking to get done, or maybe even a longer term job, but it's not a permanent position, do a gig, a 1099. So post a job is super easy. When you post a job, we're looking for a title, a description. You go into the job type, because obviously it's going to be pretty important. And then you can go into the type of category, which is technical, a management position, or an internship. Internship does not have to be a paid position, guys. There are many people out there looking for internships. However, it's pretty hard to be an intern if you're not getting paid. Remember that, guys. You can come down here and you can customize. Like you can see my email address, my website, my company name, and you can drop your company logo. Note to self, drop company logo in here. That way there my profile looks nice and professional. We can go back to the jobs and you can search by 1099s or by W-2s. And I can also, because I'm also registered as a potential candidate, I can go in and I can tell people who I am as a technician. And if you need any help whatsoever with writing your resume, I have a page dedicated where you can go in and it's a resume assistant. So you come in here and you tell it what you need for your resume. It will go ahead and it will fill out all the stuff according to my specifications for what a proper Biomed resume should be. And then you can export your resume and attach it, and you're all set. How cool is that? But there's also another cool feature. If you have an existing resume, you can import it and ask it for suggestions. And there are many suggestions that I have issued out over the years because I've read many, probably hundreds of resumes. I mean, I get resumes every other day, and it's usually a couple resumes every other day. So I see lots of resumes, guys, and I do try to go through them, and I try to help a lot of people out. But I figured an online tool allows people a little bit of discretion, and they can modify their own resume according to their own likes and according to some of my suggestions. Again, export it, attach it, utilize that PDF for your future job endeavors. So anyway, guys, bmedwork.com. It's a website that allows you to post jobs, post yourself as an available candidate, get out there and do better business for far less. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below. I do read the comments, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys.
BMETwork.com is the place to find the best biomedical equipment technicians.
They're amazing. They can fix anything.